Hey guys, Jean here and welcome back to my channel. So today I am bringing you guys a first impression and review of the Physicians Formula Organic Wear Mascara. So in my makeup tutorial that I did last week on my beachy summer glowy makeup tutorial, I had mentioned that I did not like any of the Physicians Formula mascara from their line. I've tried so many of them and I just don't like them. And so many of you guys had suggested the organic wear. So a lot of you guys had said it's the green leaf mascara. So I decided to go ahead and pick this up from CVS this past Sunday. So CVS has these on a buy two, get $10 back in extra care bucks. This guy was $10.99. If you don't have a CVS, I'll have a link to Target if you want to, pick this up at Target. If you just want to order it online. So I'm just going to go ahead and test this out because I'm on a mission to find at least a decent mascara from the Physicians Formula line that I could recommend to you guys, because I recommend everything from the line except for the mascara. And apparently this is new. It says new on the packaging, but it is, let's see, I'm going to go ahead and read about it. So it's a recycled brush. Natural origin, 70% organic. So I guess that means 30% of it is not organic, I guess. Okay, natural origin mascara. How green is your makeup? The ingredients are of a natural origin. 70% of the ingredients are organic. Okay, so it's supposed to be a more natural mascara, which is great because I'm all about the natural cleaning product line. It's hypoallergenic, eco-certified. Okay, that's all that it's really saying on here. So it's not really saying, okay, it says it's defining, but that's about it. So the sellers on the package is that it's 70% organic and it's defining. So let's just go ahead and try it out. I am open to trying pretty much anything except when it comes to food. I'm super picky when it comes to food. That's why if I was ever a contestant on The Bachelor, I probably would not do well in the group dates in like a foreign country because I would not be willing to try a bunch of random stuff. So this past season I think they were eating crickets, I think, when they were in Thailand. I forgot what they ate, but I would be that girl that would be like, I'm not eating bugs. So I'm usually not very adventurous with my food. Okay, so this is the wand right here. I really don't make too much of a fuss over mascara wands. I know some other, beauty reviewers here on YouTube make a really big huss and fuss over the wand. I really don't get it, but this is the wand. It just looks like a typical mascara wand. So I'm gonna be comparing this to my all-time favorite mascara, which is the Ultimate Mascara by Mary Kay. So I'm gonna bring you guys in really close. That's like really close. You can't even see me. Oh my God. Okay. Okay, can we work it? Can we work with it here? Okay. How is this gonna work? See, this is why you guys come here for couponing and not beauty videos, because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Okay, let's see. This might be good. Okay, okay, let's get it in. Okay, let's get it in. Oh my God, I'm just gonna stop here and just apply my mascara. Okay. I have the mascara on my right lash, but I don't have it on my left lash. So it definitely did its job in defining the lash, definitely. It makes the eyes pop because that's what mascara is supposed to do. In terms of lengthening and volumizing, it really didn't do that. But in terms of defining it and making my eyes pop, it did do its job, but nothing for volumizing or lengthening, that's for sure. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and coat the next side, the other side. Okay, you guys, so I have the mascara on both of my lashes, and to be honest with you guys, this is not a bad mascara. I actually like the Physicians Formula Organic Wear better than the Maybelline Great Lash. I like it better than the CoverGirl, the Peacock mascara, and the, what's that other one? There's a new one that's out. It's also in a, no, I think it's the Peacock mascara. Yeah, blue one. It's in the blue too. But I actually find this better than that one, and surprisingly, I like this better than the Lash Blast by CoverGirl. So in terms of the Physicians Formula line, if you're gonna get some sort of mascara, you definitely need to be picking up the Organic Wear Mascara. So what I'm finding about this one, it's not super thick, it's not clumpy when you apply it to the lash. Also, the formula is not dry. So one of the issues that I have with the Physicians Formula line in terms of mascara is that it has a very dry formula to it. So when you open up a new tube of the mascara, it's dry from the start. So that's one of the main complaints I've had with the Physicians Formula mascara. But I was actually pleasantly surprised. So thank you guys so much for suggesting this to me, because now I can go ahead and suggest it to you guys as well. So in terms of the line of Physicians Formula, definitely give the Organic Wear Mascara a try. I have the Black Noir. When I mentioned that it wasn't super thick when applying, I find that that actually does happen with my Mary Kay Ultimate Mascara. The consistency of it is really thick, so I'm always getting mascara on my lower lash and like under my eyelid, but that did not happen with this guy. So in terms of a mascara that is easy to apply and will define your eyes, I would definitely say the Organic Wear is definitely something you should go ahead and try. But in terms of lengthening your lashes and volumizing your lashes and curling your lashes, this guy isn't gonna do it for you. But if you just want a simple, basic mascara to define and help your eyes pop, then definitely give this guy a try. Because like I said, I like it better than the CoverGirl Lash Blast and the CoverGirl Peacock, and I like it better than the Maybelline Great Lash. So definitely go ahead and give this guy a try next time you're at CVS and you're looking for something for your Physicians Formula deal for those extra care bucks. And then if you want to go ahead and just order this from Target, I'll have a link below. So thank you guys so much for suggesting the Organic Wear Mascara. So I'll definitely be picking up more of those so I can give some of them away to you guys the next time I'm doing like a makeup giveaway. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful, and I will talk to you all later. Don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below if there's another particular cosmetic item that you would like me to do like a first impressions of or review. Just let me know, because we get so many deals on drugstore cosmetics that I would be happy to go ahead and do that. So I will talk to you all later. Bye.